Hi everyone, it's Marlene with Dixie Quilters and welcome back to a box opening for Soft Squares Box A and Keepsake 12 day, and so they're both 12 days. And we're still waiting for Crazy Moose to get here. So we're banking on that they'll be here soon. Okay, here we are at day 4. And I can't believe that I've stayed out of these this long. I'm eating some of the candy that Lynn gave us in the box the first day. Surprised I haven't eaten it all. Okay, so on a recap, we've gotten lots of patterns, fat quarters, and a project. And we got a collectible box, which is quite functional, especially for traveling around with your equipment. We got a beautiful keepsake tomato pincushion ornament, which reminds me of my grandmother. Then we have a full yard of high quality black Amish black, and really satiny white. So let's keep it going. Day number 4 on her soft squares is worth $23. So let's see what that looks like. Day number 4. Okay. Oh, I think there's thread in there. And something. Templates. Let's see. This is soft squares. Day number 4. Very nice packaging. Oh yeah, I think so. Oh yes, okay, day 4. This is my favorite color too. What is it? When I say that it's my favorite color, I mean it's not stark white and it's not yellow. It's a lovely, oh, not blush, but you know what I mean. I like cloud. I like cloud colored thread. Not quite beige and certainly not pink. So this is beautiful. And it's, oh, let's read what it is. Egyptian cotton, 60 weight, 1,500 yards. Good grief. Wonderful Elfina EF50. Well, it looks like beautiful stuff. I don't know enough to know how wonderful it is, so you'll have to tell us, Lynn. Okay, so here we go. Box number 4, day number 4, box A. 100% Egyptian cotton thread is perfect for quilting. The 60 weight thread has very low lint. Oh, that's good. Quilters love it because it's strong but light enough to let your seams lay flat. Wonderfill by Riley Blake makes the new Riley Blake thread line called Confetti Cotton. This spool is the same, but with the Wonderfill branding. Both lines are in my shop. No wonder that looked familiar. Do you think that could be cloud? It might be a tiny bit beiger. I'm not sure. The courthouse papers. You know these things. These are wonderful. I loved using the ones that came in the Sew Sampler box for October. They were the square and a square, and these are the courthouse steps. It's so Emma. If you ever tried those, they're so convenient because every block turns out perfect. Not your typical Marlene rendition, but actually accurate. So I'm looking forward to using that. Courthouse papers are an easy way to get perfect lines and perfect block. Okay, we will look forward to watching that one. Thank you. And I love this. Love my thread. Thank you. Well, that was a lovely box. Okay. This is really tough. They're doing pretty good. Okay, going over to Keepsake Cotton. No. Keepsake Quilting. Okay, now this is a little package, but it might be a powerful little package. Let's see what's in it. Has a nice sticker on it. Merry Christmas. What do you think about all these people who are trying to open their packages without messing with the sticker? Seems ludicrous. Oh, wow, look at those. This is nice. Let me show you. These are the labels that I love to put on my stuff. These are done by Sarah Hartz in North Carolina, made in China. So these are, how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these gorgeous, glossy, satiny, handmade with love. I love them. That was a good choice. Thank you. I was afraid you're going to give me some more needles or something. So this is really gorgeous. I know I got some last year from, must have been Sew Sampler, and I stick them on every quilt. Oh, and I got some from Cotton Cuts when I did the tombstone quilt too. So I stick those on. I mean, on these dinosaur quilts that I'm making for the babies, each one is going to get at least 2 of these labels. Maybe not these real pretty ones, but I'm going to stick the Cotton Cut ones on there, and I'm going to stick some that say made by Marlene exclusively. And I've also got my cat quilt that's finishing up. Okay, so, well, it is finished. So anyway, thank you very much. This was a lovely gift. Thank you, Keepsake. So put that on the keepsake pile. And thank you for you all watching day 4. Stay tuned, and we'll get through some more here tomorrow. Okay, bye now.